Ang ating wedding ang magsisil ng ating pagmamahalan. Pagmamahalang tanging kamatayan lamang ang makakapaghinto. Ngunit kahit ganun pa man, tandaan mo na kahit sa kabilang buhay, kung meron man, ang puso at pagmamahal ko ay sa'yo at ikaw pa rin magpakailanman.
To the man I prayed for and who's about to become my other half, I have seen how generous and forgiving you are to everyone. You have been so kind, patient, and understanding to my life's dreams and decisions. You also have been very supportive all throughout this relationship.
Here are the words of Jesus Christ as recorded in the Gospel of Mark, chapter 10, verses 7 and 8. For this reason, a man will leave his father and mother and be united to his wife, and the two will become one flesh. So they are no longer two, but one.
Sino ba naman ang hindi magiging masaya kapag ganito ang makakasama at makikita mo sa araw-araw?
Thank you because you have treated me like a family ever since. Your family. And with God as our witness, I vow to love you with all my heart, to cherish you in every way, and build a future filled with love and light.
Wow.
Wow.
Official citizen. Huwag baka malaglag. Nako. Okay. Thank you, Charmaine. I love you.
Sana all.
He knows it's you I pray for. He knows it's you I pray with.
Hopefully, after this wedding, makasama ko na siya doon sa ibang bansa, sa Ireland. Makasama ko na siyang umuwi. Wala nang goodbye. Oo nga eh, lahat may dahilan. Minsan mahal mo lang talaga, wala nang ibang dahilan. Hindi na kailangan ng rason.
I walked down the aisle, I couldn't help.
Lagi natin naririnig, no? At ngayon, nandito na ako ngayon sa posisyon na yun. Totoo nga na masasabi natin na kapag mahal ka ng isang tao, masasabi natin tayo yung pinakamapalad na tao sa buong mundo.
All we know is He knows, and we follow His direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let His will be done.
Thank you. Walang pa-letter. Yes.
Secret.
May isa pa. Ay, thank you sa gift mo. Very meaningful kasi star and moon. Ang ganda-ganda.
He knows us even better than we ever know ourselves. He knows that we have differences, but He pulls us back in place. When the roads we take get wrong.
Maganda pa kay Catriona Gray. Wala kang ano?
Naiiyak na.
Wala sa akin yung tissue.
Naiiyak na.
Wala akong tissue.
All we know.
Pray na you live longer.
Thank
para
you.
makapag-travel pa tayo everywhere.
Thank you.
Love you.
Yeah, I'm happy for you. Your dreams come true. And hoping na maging successful ang lahat, married life mo, and more dreams come true to come.
Thank you. Kasi dito sa big day ko, nandito ka ngayon. At salamat sa support. Mahal na mahal kita.
Kulang kong pagmamahal na na-appreciate mo na. Alam ko naman na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal mo rin.
But his steps are tidy up our mess. We are blessed by his embrace. We'll serve together through his grace. And I know
Papasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil inilagay niya ang aking puso sa isang napakagandang babae na nagpakita kung ano ba ang tunay na kahulugan ng pagmamahal. Pagmamahal na kasing tamis ng salad ni Uncle at gulaman with condensed ni Mama. Ang tamis.
Now, I want to share this success and my dream to travel the world with you. As I marry you today, I praise God that tonight His will is being fulfilled. Through the pressures of the present and uncertainties of the future, I promise my faithfulness to follow you through all life's experiences as you follow God, that together we may grow in the likeness of Christ and our home to be a praise to Him.
your family and your children and their children and their children. May his favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family and your children and their children and their children. May his favor be upon you.
Pero walang biro, ikaw ang pinaka-magandang nangyari sa buhay ko. Ikaw ang pinaka-magandang regalong natanggap ko mula sa ating Panginoon. Araw-araw ko siyang pasasalamatan, ang ating Panginoon, dahil araw-araw akong magiging masaya.
The Lord gave me what I needed in life. Sana wala na tayong goodbye. Sana magkasama na tayo sa Ireland sa susunod. Hindi na tayo maghihiwalay sa airport.
Beside you, all around you, and within you, he is with you, he is with you in the morning, and the evening, in your coming, and your going, in your weeping, and rejoicing.
Charmaine, tandaan mo na mahal kita at gagawin ko ang lahat para mapasaya ka. Gagawin ko ang lahat para alagaan ka. Iingatan ka at poprotektahan ka. Basta lahat na. Lahat. Mahal na mahal kita, Charmaine.
I love you always and forever.
What God joined together, let no man separate. Come on, let's give them a hand of applause.